Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to use Revolut eSIM. Using Revolut's eSIM service lets you stay connected without needing a physical SIM card. Just follow these steps to install and activate your eSIM. Open the Revolut app on your Android device, tap Lifestyle in the bottom menu. Go to the eSIM section, then tap Install under the eSIM. Now open Settings on your phone and navigate to Networks and Internet. Select SIMs Plus to add a new SIM, then choose Add a SIM, then tap Next on the eSIM page. Now on the Scan Your QR Code form network page, tap Need Help. Then tap Enter it manually on the help screen. Enter the activation code you received from Revolut, then tap Continue, then Download. Just note that instructions may differ slightly depending on your phone manufacturer. Just menus might look a bit different. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.